In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to record video in PowerPoint with webcam. After watching this video, you will be able to adjust the shape, size and position of your facecam in PowerPoint. So before that, can you please subscribe my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers? If you do, I would really appreciate it. Now coming back to our topic, to record our webcam in PowerPoint, it's really easy. For that we need to tap on record tab from the top bar. Once we tap on it, then you will be able to see this record option. If you click on it, then you will see two options. First is from current slide and second is from beginning. So I want to record my slides from beginning. So for that I'll simply tap here and then you will be able to see this record overlay. In case you can't see your facecam here, tap on this camera icon to enable the facecam and then you will be able to see this option. And in case you can't see these three options, which is microphone, camera and your turn camera or preview option, then you need to contact the Microsoft support team and then they will guide you to the process to enable these three options. It might be because you have older Microsoft PowerPoint version. In my case, I have 2019 version, so I am able to see these three options. So I told you the process to enable these options. And now if you want to switch your camera, for that we need to tap on setting and then from here you can go to the camera and select any of your camera from your computer, and you can also change your microphone from here as well. So I want to select this microphone to record my audio, so I have selected it. And now to start our recording, we need to tap on this record button to start our recording, and once we start it, the countdown will show here and then we can do anything on our slide. You can use your highlighter tool as well. If you want to change your slide, then tap on this icon to change your slide, and now you can do anything on your slides here. You can go to the third slide as well. Now to save our recording, we need to tap on stop button to stop our recording and then our recording will be stopped. Now to replay our recording, we can replay from here or we can simply go back from here by pressing escape key on our keyboard, and then our preview will be gone and we will be able to see our slides from here. And as you can see, everything has been recorded on my slides and it has attached the facecam on my slides as well. If you want to preview your recording, then we can simply go to our slide, select your facecam and then you will see this play icon. If we tap on it, then our recording will be played on our facecam. So this is the process to record our facecam. Now if you want to adjust the position of your facecam, you can simply move it according to your need. If you want to place it on the top left corner, you can place it here. You can place it on your right corner as well. So I don't want to move it, so for that I'll simply press Ctrl Z to undo it. And now to adjust the shape and size, we can simply select our facecam, go to the video format. You can choose any effect from here, but I don't want to add any effect. You can crop your facecam by simply tapping on crop, and you can adjust the corners or you can crop the corners from here. And you can also change the shape of your facecam. For that, select your facecam, tap on video shape and select any shape from here. I want to select this rectangle shape, select it, and then you will be able to see this yellow dot on the top of your facecam. If we drag this corner, then we can adjust the corners of our facecam. I want to make it like this. But if you go to the second slide and third slide, as you can see, my third slide and second slide facecam has not been changed according to my first facecam. So to do it, we just need to select our facecam, then tap on the home tab from top, and now double tap on format painter to select this effect. And now we just need to go to the second slide and tap on your facecam to copy paste the settings of your first facecam. Similarly, we need to repeat the process and click on your third facecam, and then that facecam will be changed according to your first facecam, so we don't need to manually adjust everything. Now to export our video, we need to tap on file and then from here click on export, and under it click on create a video, and from here we need to select this option which is use recorded timings and narrations, so that our recorded duration will be saved as it is. So we just need to tap here, then click on use recorded timings and narrations, and now click on create a video, and it will ask you to choose your file path. I want to save my video on my desktop, so for that I'll simply tap on desktop, then tap on save. And now if I go to my desktop, you can see my video has been saved on my desktop successfully. I can play my video with my facecam easily. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.